Amnesty International has leveled gross human rights abuses and violations against the disputed Zimbabwe president Emerson Mnangagwa. Aiwa chava chishamiso apo zita raED Mnangagwa aiwa rinobuda mumareports ekunzi aiwa ari kukonzeresa massive human rights abuses and violations. Aiwa tisatapinda muna udzidzere ndipo kapaya panotibva wasubscribe like wotina on the bell icon pano pachopisa pano paZim News Live. Tichiendera mberi nebepa navanonyora vachiti this has been reviewed in the latest world report, which has captured the political violence, politically motivated abductions in murder of Zimbabwe opposition activists perpetrated by the ruling Zanu PF led by Mnangagwa. In the run up to the disputed August plebiscite last year, an opposition activist, Tinashe Chitsunge, was stoned to death by Zanu PF supporters as their campaign trail took them to a high-density suburb called Glenora. Mnangagwa had in August said his Zanu PF manipulate votes through the electoral body, the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC, to clearly steal the elections. Electoral observation missions, including the European Union, who dismissed the August plebiscite last year as failing to meet the international standards for the democratic election. Sando zviri kubuda mubepa nawo zvinzi aiwa ED Mnangagwa ari kupiwa kunzi aiwa ari kuclaima kuti ari kuita human rights violations vachisteta kubva kuma-abductions votseta kuma-elections zvinzi avo vari kuba mavhotsi evanhu. Ndoonawo zvadziri kubuda dzinyoko pana paZim. Achimbotidzai mafunguro enyu nokudii pamusoro mashoko aya. Aiwa pinai kucomment section medu musangano subscribe kulika ponchera on the bell icon. Tombochana mabuditsa ndokupa pani paZim News Live.